Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the plastic bag, the plastic we are using in our life, everyday life. I want to share with you the experience I have been learning while being in India. That's amazing. Today is May 9, 2020, and since January 1st, far as I know, in India there is law the official law that there is no more plastic bag, regular plastic bag can be used in the merchant. Merchant can't use that. In any store, a food store, regular store, clothes store, you cannot use plastic, plastic bag. You cannot use plastic straw. So we have to use natural made products. And I was very impressed. I was so amazed. I came from Ukraine. And in Ukraine, there is no such things like compostable, 100% compostable plastic bag or straw or coffee cap, whatever. So everything made from regular plastic. And how impressed I was when I found this 100 compostable bag here in India, guys. And today I want to share with you this experience. I hope this will inspire all of you and you will start to find your own way how to live plastic-free everyday life. So how to make and bring to our everyday life natural natural products free of plastic. As we know, I'm not going to talk how much damage the plastic made for all of us. Everyone know better than me. So I just want to share my inspiration, my excitement, how excited I was when I first seen that plastic like 100% compostable bag used here in India. All right, and many also, in addition to 100% compostable plastic-like bag, they use a regular cotton bag. So compared to how I see last time I was in the US 3 years ago, I seen all around that all plastic, regular plastic being used. I hope now in English-speaking country like US, United States, which is playing the role, the leader of innovation, technical innovation, and I hope this time United States will also be in the front of good new things, ecological prosperity, happy life free from plastic. All right, now I'm gonna share with you this plastic-like bag which made from 100 compostable materials. All right, what does it mean? 100 compostable materials. It means that it doesn't damage environment. It's dissolved very soon, very fast, like regular food, as far as I understand, like regular cotton. All right, so it's organic. In other words, it's organic, made from organic materials. That's what all we wanted. And like for example, in addition, coffee cap, it's made from the pepper. The straw you drink in the coconuts, made from paper. So it's compared 2 years ago, it was all made from plastic, and now we have shopping bag, made from 100% compostable materials. How amazing is that, isn't it, guys? I know you are happy as me as well, so we're all happy about it because our life going to be much more healthier, right? So let's don't even think about the planet or whole world. Let's start to think about your own home. What are you going to bring to your own home so your house will be fulfilled with the organic materials? No plastic, free of plastic. Can you imagine how your life will be better? And if you look from the perspective that our environment, our planet, it's like a body, right? Like a body, human body. And if our body would become clean, I just think about it. If body get clean, what's next? With your clean body is getting clean mind, right? Your feelings, your thoughts, your emotions, your energy, following by clean mind. And having clean mind, we can have a clean view of everything we have around. Our energy changing, and new desire, new thoughts, new inspiration, new excitement will come to us with the clean mind, with the clean body. And I wish we all have that. It's like waking up from being drunk, right? When you are drunk, you see a different world. But when you get free of that, you start to see the totally new life around yourself, isn't it? So let's start from these little things, guys. In your home, check it out. Check it out. What do you have made from plastic? Utilize that. Utilize it ecologically. Utilize that plastic and start to use plastic-free materials. Buy the cotton bags. Buy the 100 compostable bags. No more plastic. And will be your little donation to the world. I would say little donation to your city, to your home, because you want to have clean home. With a clean home, like a clean body, you will have better environment to think and live, isn't it? All right, I guess this is enough. I've been talking about it. So I hope you have been inspired as I am. And me as a Ukrainian guy from Russia, I've been inspired by this, by visiting India. And I want you guys also feel same as I do feel this, being so inspired how India, for me, it's the first country. I hope it's not the first country only. It's not only country today using this 100% compostable bag, shopping bag. But I'm just telling what I've been seeing here and inspired. Just in the first country I've been introduced to this new shopping bag made from 100% compostable materials, right? And I want to share that with you, so you will start to think about it and implement it into your life wherever you can, starting from your own house, then going to the city and so on. The more people will live this kind of life, free of plastic bag, meaning they have clean body. It's like our body, clean souls, as we said already. So starting clean your home, all right? So, okay, guys, to be short, cutting short, I want to just show you these bags. I hope you're inspired as I do, and you will try to make your home free of plastic. Thank you, guys. God bless you all. Now let's take a look on this plastic-like bag, which is 100% recyclable. And take a look what the label said. The label said 100 compostable bag. So let me zoom in. The company who made this here in India, we have this label. It said what? It said, I'm not a plastic, you see? I don't know, see what it says in the glass. Can read that. Do you have see the company name? I want to show you. So God bless. Thank you that guys. And thank you government of India who make this as a law. No more plastic shopping bag. No more shopping bag made from plastic. Compostable. You see this label? Right upper lower right corner. Amazing. So that's what it is, guys. And this one also, it's another shopping bag, and it's very touchy, it's very strong, it feels so soft, like cotton like, very good. And see what that said, what this said, label. what it said. It said here, does not contain plastic, 100% compostable, and ICO number. Okay, you see, that's what we have here. Nice, amazing. And as the bag, it's made cotton-like. It's from supermarket, and it's also made like cotton-like, something here. No plastic, just like cotton. Feel like cotton. Also very easy to be utilized. Okay, we have mask, coronavirus mask, anti-coronavirus mask, also made from the cotton, guys. All right. So all of this made from organic materials. So this basically it, guys. I wish you to have in your city, in your home, natural materials, free of plastic. The more clean environment we have, the better life we would have. Wish you all the best. And Jay Green was you. I wish you guys to be happy, healthy, and wealthy. I know, and you know, you can do it. Let's do it together with us. Green Mind Life. Namaste. Live your happy, happy life today. I know, and you know, you can do it. Namaste.